Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert bullet points anywhere in Publisher windows. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert a bullet point anywhere in this Publisher document. Go to the Home menu, then click the Draw Text box to insert bullet points anywhere. Now I select the draw text box, then draw a text box on the page. Then click the text box and go to the Home menu. Then click the bullets option and choose any bullets. Now I select the large bullet. Then write anything using our keyboard. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the Home menu, then increase the font size. Then set the bullet points anywhere on the page. Now I select this and move this anywhere. Now we can see we inserted a bullet points anywhere in this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.